Okay guys, welcome back to Daniel's Nitro RC channel. Today is the day. The Revo is in this box. I know it looks kind of beat up. I hope the truck is okay because it just arrived. So I'm gonna have my wife hold the phone and do a video and see what we got in this box here. Hopefully it didn't get tore up. That's what I'm worried about. So we'll see what we got. Whoever wrapped this did a good job. I'm just gonna rip the tape off the top of the box and we'll see if it's upside down or not. Okay. So, let's see. I need to cut it here. Okay, guys. Revo's coming out. All right. I'm gonna turn it to where you guys can see it as I pull it out. Gotta have those in there, I guess. Okay. So this is gonna be kind of a challenge to get out of here because it's got all those packing junk in there. There's the Easy Start wand. Okay, there's a wheel. Holy cow, those are huge compared to the T-Max. There's one wheel. I guess he had to take them off, I guess. Okay. Now, the hard part is trying to get that out. There we go. Whoa, guys. There's the Revo. Let's see what else we got in here. Got the other tire. And the wheel nuts look like they made it. That's good. That's the... Oh, there's a spare cover for this thing. Nice. The wheels need to be tightened up a little bit. I see. It still had some old fuel in it, but that's okay. I'm gonna clean it up. Now I'm gonna put the other two wheels on. The tires are in good shape. Oh, that one's got kind of a rip on it, but that's all right. I got new ones coming. I'm gonna put the other two tires on it. Pop these on. I do not have a wrench to tighten these up yet. I got one coming. So I'm gonna have to make do with what I got for now. Just put them on there loose. This thing's huge compared to the T-Max. I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but this is the true 3.3 size. Now that I know what the size of it is. Okay, servos are good. Engine needs a little bit of cleaning up. Shocks work real good. Okay, and now let's see what it looks like with that body on there. I'm gonna grab it. Keep it pointed on the truck, honey. Okay, so here's my newly painted body, and I'm just gonna set it on there so you guys can see what it's gonna look like. Oh, well, maybe get everything lined up here. Check that out, guys. Looks pretty sweet. The Revo. Looks pretty cool. There's the transmitter in this bag. I'm gonna put batteries in it and make sure all the electronics work on it and everything. And stay tuned for another video. Thank you guys for watching.